That is pretty to see that.
Is it?
It is. I'm just glad that there's none of that happening in our area right now. Although rainy, I'm thoroughly enjoying the mild
We had our
temperatures.
icicles. We're done with
did.
them. We're done. We're now seeing just wet conditions now across the area. We're tracking showers and even some thunderstorms moving into the area. Let's go on out and show you exactly what we're tracking for you today with our Storm Track weather headlines. A soggy day ahead with temperatures hitting the 70s, thunderstorms and some heavy downpours possible today too. Here's a look at our Storm Track bus stop forecast this morning. Rain likely this morning, 58 degrees, and then thunderstorms this afternoon. A warm day too. A high of 73 degrees. Hey, you heading down to the beach? It's about that time. We're starting our beach forecast. Medium risk for rip currents. That could change by the weekend, but we're looking at 67 and rainy by Friday, 66 and some rain showers, but overall Saturday and Sunday looking pretty good at 68 degrees. Here's a look at our Storm Track radar right now across the area. Rain filling in the area into the Chilton County, Shelby County, into Talladega and East Alabama areas. We're going to zoom in and show you a little bit of rain that is now moving through Lincoln, Pell City, Odenville, into Ragland, into the 431 highway corridor here, into the Jacksonville area and Piedmont. Widening things out, there are two kind of rivers of rain moving in from this moisture system that is down in the Gulf of Mexico, and it is pulling nonstop rain. So there's the heavier rain and the thunderstorms on the west side of everything, and it is filling in this dry gap where we had a little bit of a break in the overnight hours. So rain is definitely here, and you can see our towers shaking in Tuscaloosa as the winds are now from the southeast at 13 miles an hour. A warm morning, 63 degrees, temperatures ranging from 55 in Coleman, 54 in Gadsden, Anniston 57, 61 here in Birmingham. Here's our high-resolution Storm Track Futurecast. At 11 a.m. this morning, we're seeing some pretty decent rains now off to the north, but really it's that second line that I just showed you off to the west that finally moves into the state. So between 2 and 3, 4 o'clock, these are going to be some thunderstorms with some gusty winds and localized flooding with this as well. 6 o'clock, that will be entering in the Birmingham area, and we'll be watching for thunderstorms in the I-65 corridor. And because of this, there is a marginal risk of severe weather off to the west, and I expect that to be between 2 and 9 for winds of 60 miles an hour or greater. Again, we'll be tracking these all day long. Mark Prater will be in at 5, 6, and 10, so you want to catch him to check on these thunderstorms as well. Now, as far as our Storm Track 7-day forecast goes, it's a warm one from even overnight lows to high temperatures, up to 75 degrees on Thursday. A very good bet for rain all the way through Friday, and we could see about 3 inches of rain when all is said and done. The weekend, though, trending on the drier side, looking pretty good. Esteban.
Thank you, sir. This morning, a look at the traffic situation.